Hi everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fit Excel row to fit automatically with the text. As you see here, it can fit vertically. Directly it shows. You see? Just click here. It shows all the text. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. To do it, let's first create a new blank workbook. Good. From here, click the sheet and right click. View code. Here we have general. Select worksheet. Insert this command. Cells dot wrap text. Select this one. Equal to true. Enter. Another command. Cells entire row. Select this one. Dot autofit. Great. Just from file, close and return. Now bring a text to here. For example, I bring the same text, this one. You see, now it divided to multiple cells, but if you just click outside of the cell, directly it shows all the text, as you see. Also, you can make it like this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.